This parliamentary dictation is 80 words per minute. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, there is a ban on transporting agricultural produce from one part to another part of the country. During the last session, the Honorable Minister had announced that this ban will be lifted, but it has not been done till now. The farmers are unable to take their produce to any part of the country. As a result of total neglect towards agriculture, the allocation given to this field has decreased from 4% to 3% in the annual plan outlay. The allocation for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development is going down in every annual plan in comparison to the annual plan of 1992-93. Similarly, only 6% amount has been provided for loans and electricity. There has been no considerable increase in it in the last year. This step of the government is totally unjustified towards the farmers and agriculture. The continuous decrease in the groundwater level is also a matter of grave concern. Ever since the Congress party has come to power, there has been 10% difference between the estimated capacity and actual utilization of irrigation potential. If this gap had been filled, it would have increased the food grain production. Not only our country would have become self-reliant in food grains but it would have been also able to export them. Several big projects are lying pending and near about 70% of land is deprived of irrigation. Same is the condition of forest areas also. Whatever there are Congress governments, they have grossly violated the interests of the farmers. The network of multinational companies is spreading in our country, which will create problems for the farmers. Their interests are being mortgaged in the hands of foreign powers. Due to this reason, the country is becoming dependent on the others and it can jeopardize our political and social freedom. Para. Mr. DT Speaker, sir, it is bad luck that our farmers are not organized today, but the day they become organized, they can revolt. Since the time this Congress government has been formed, it is not even ready to accept rightful demands unless such activities as sabotage, economic blockade and gherav are adopted. The government is not able to understand the problem. So, I would like the government not to create so much problem for the farmers that they are compelled to revolt. Full stop.